Hello kids! It's Ava. I welcome you in another fun video made by Ophelia to learn the letter J. Are you ready for a magical journey? Let's get started. Ophelia has chosen a vibrant orange for our canvas today. And guess what? It's the color of a big and smiling jack-o'-lantern. Can you imagine the fun we're going to have? Grab your paintbrushes, girl. Look at her go, using both big and small brushes. What a fantastic job, kiddo. I see your patience and creativity shining through. Do you see this? She's using a light shade of orange to color the skin of jack-o'-lantern. Yay! Keep going, my little. Around the edges, she paints really slow. Can you guess why? You are right. Colors should remain inside the boundaries. Now, let us all just sit and relax and enjoy her painting this masterpiece. She has almost colored the whole body of the jack-o'-lantern. She has brought the jack-o'-lantern's body to life with that beautiful orange. Moving on, she is grabbing a light shade of green for the lantern stem. Isn't that interesting? Brilliant choice, Ophelia. That stem is standing tall and proud. Oh, look at that. The jack-o'-lantern needs a mouth to smile. Which color she has picked next? Could you guess? It is light brown color. It's like a cheerful grin on our pumpkin friend. Those eyes and eyebrows need some love too. Ophelia is using light brown again. Look how those eyes sparkle with mischief and joy. And now the nose. Ophelia, your attention to detail is impressive. Those light brown strokes are like the finishing touch of a masterpiece. What is this? Ophelia is using orange once more. Why, you ask? It's the letter J. J as in jack-o'-lantern. You all are connecting the dots of learning. Just few more seconds, kids. She'll write, "Thank you," with so much love. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please hit like and subscribe if you appreciate her work and what we bring to you every time. See you next time.